Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you a professional way to schedule your post on Instagram so you can get massive amount of reach and in turn get clicks on your profile link and also get lots of followers. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your Instagram profile page and then click on the hamburger by the upper right hand corner like this, and then you select schedule content. It's right under settings. Just click on the schedule content and then you have the scheduled content page, and then you click on schedule a post, and then it's going to open your gallery and you go ahead and select the picture or the video that you want to schedule and move over to the next page. Here you can select your audio or your sound or your music depending on which one you call it. Now I assume that you must have saved a trending sound because it's very important that you use a trending sound for your reels. When you use a trending sound on a video, Instagram is going to put that video on the trending shelf where a lot of people are going to see it, and then it's going to result in a lot of clicks on your profile link and also a lot of followers. So make sure you use trending sound. So before scheduling your post, take some minutes and select trending sound and save them so they can easily access them when you start scheduling your post. So now I'm just going to go ahead and click on the music icon, and I can flip through the sound here or search any sound that I want to use and use that, or I can simply click on save and use any sound that I saved. So I'm going to just go ahead and go with this, then click on done. So now I have it. So I'm going to be using this sound. Unfortunately, I'm going to play to the end so that I don't get a copyright strike, but you get the point. So now I've selected the sound and we're going to move to next. So you click on next, and then it brings us to this page. This is where the magic happens. This is where you're going to put your caption. Put your caption. Make sure you write a very long caption, not too long actually, but you can use ChatGPT to generate at least a 1 paragraph or a 2 paragraph caption that is going to make people spend some minutes reading the caption, so that while they are reading the caption, the video will be playing in the background, it will be repeating in the background. And make sure your videos are very short, shorter than 30 seconds, so that as it's playing in the background, the views will be increasing and Instagram is going to see that people love that particular video and push it to more audience, and it keep happening like that. So make sure you utilize this caption section because it's actually what is going to drive more traffic to this post. Then another section that a lot of people miss is this topics, add topics. So you're going to click on add topics so that Instagram will know the right people to show your video. One of the reasons why a lot of videos tank on Instagram is because Instagram don't really know who to show your video. So if Instagram doesn't know the topic that the video is about, they're going to test out the video to a bunch of audience that might not really like the video, that the video does not actually appeal to. It might be like sports, and then they're testing it out on people that love fashion, and you can see those people will not actually watch the video, and that will cause the video to tank because Instagram will automatically assume that people don't like the video. So it's best that you select the topic so that Instagram will test out the video with people that are most likely going to click and watch the video. So this is the trick here. So you're going to select the topic, select entrepreneurship, small business, and financial markets. You can also come over, depending on what your page is about and what the video is about, to just play around it. You can just select whatever it is that your video is about. Just go ahead and play around it, right? So I'm going to just leave it at that so that we don't waste much time here. So Instagram only allows you to pick 3 topics. So I'm going to just leave it at this: small business, entrepreneurship, and financial markets, and then you click on done. So we'll have the topic selected. If you want people to send you a message through the Instagram Reels, you can also pick message button, but don't use that if you don't have any intention, if you're not trying to sell anything. All right, if it's a sales post, then you can use the message button, but if it's not a sales post, please don't use the message button as it can hurt your reach. So please don't use the message button, because when you use the message button, Instagram will want you to run ads for that post, so that because you intend to get messages from the post. So Instagram will automatically want you to run ads. So they are not going to show it to much people. So make sure that if you're going to be using the message button, it has to be a sales video or a sales post where you're going to be selling your goods or services. So we'll move over to the next one, which is recommendation on Facebook. It's usually unavailable for this type of video, right, for Reels. So we're going to move over to advanced settings, and this is where the magic comes in. So here on advanced settings, you're going to see this setting, upload at highest quality. So make sure that you turn this thing on. As you can see, it's off now. So if I upload this video, it's going to upload a very poor quality of it. So make sure that you check this on, turn it on, so that you can upload the best quality of that video, right? Because the better quality you have, the better reach you get, because people love quality, people love identifying with quality. So make sure that you have the best quality up. And again, the one that a lot of people miss is the captions. Now, if you have captions on your video, there's a lot of people that have captions on your video, or if your video doesn't require captions, please do yourself a favor, turn off this show captions, so it doesn't show captions on top of your captions and make everywhere clustered. So make sure you turn this one off if you don't need the captions. If it's a talking head like this and you don't have a caption, you can go ahead and turn it on, and Instagram will do a good job in transcribing whatever that you're saying in the video and put it in a caption format for you, and then people can see it once they start playing the video. So still on the advanced settings, you can come here and see add paid partnership label. So if you're in a partnership with any brand, or you're posting on behalf of any brand or anything, you can just simply turn it on and then add the brand partners. You can search out the brand partners and add them here. But please make sure you do not add someone that is not a brand partner. Please don't do that. You might get your account disabled by doing that. Now we're going to go back. We're going to still come back to the advanced settings, but I want to show you guys something. Now, if you come over to tag people, you can actually tag people to your post, invite as a collaborator. This is where you invite a particular person as a collaborator, like Don Jazzy, Tunde Not, or any other popular page that you might want to invite to collaborate with your content, right? If they approve it, it's going to increase your reach. Don Jazzy does that a lot, so you might go ahead and just do that. Let me just show you how it's done. So all I have to do is to search for Don Jazzy and click here and add him as a collaborator. And I'm going to go ahead and tap OK. So now I have Don Jazzy tagged as a collaborator. So if he sees the content and likes it, he's going to approve it, and then it's going to show up on his feed, and all his followers are going to see the post as well as your followers as well. So whatever interaction they are interacting on the post on his feed is going to still show on your page. That is how awesome Instagram is. And then we'll come back again to the advanced settings to do the actual scheduling. So here we're going to turn on the schedule this reel. We are going to turn it on, and then we are going to select the date and time that we want to schedule the post. So you can just pick any day and any time and select that and put your PM or your AM and click on done. Make sure if you're selecting the time that your post is going to go live, make sure it's the time that your audience are online. Now, here's the trick that you can use to get lots of reach. Now, if your audience are usually online by 3 p.m., don't make the post to go live by that 3 p.m. Let your post go live by 4:50 or 4:55, so that to give the algorithm enough time to put your post in front of your audience, so that immediately they come online, they are going to see your post. But if you post exactly 3 o'clock, it's going to take a couple of times for the algorithm to place your video in front of your audience, and by that time they would have logged off or they would have gone past your post, so they might not likely see it. So this is the best way to get this right. So post like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before the time your audience will be live, and you're going to enjoy lots of reach. So now that I've scheduled this, all you have to do is to go back and click on share. Now it's going to upload and get saved and then go live the time that I chose for it to go live. That is the amazing thing about this. So you can actually be sleeping and then your Instagram page will be active. You can do this for 30 posts. That's 1 post per day. You can do it for 60 posts. That is 2 posts per day. All you need to do is just relax, and then your Instagram page will be active. So I use this a lot on my cash cow Instagram pages, where I automate the whole process, and it makes money for me, over $4,000 every month on autopilot. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just set it up that one time, and then it runs automatically. It will upload for you, and it will start making money for you on a daily basis, and you make over $4,000 every single month. I'll be uploading that video next. And for you not to miss that, you have to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss that upload. So this is how you professionally and intentionally schedule your posts to get the best reach ever. Please share this video to your friends and family, and I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn another amazing digital skill that will help you make more money online. See you on the other side. Ciao.